Alright, we got a 2002 Acura MDX. Our problem was our rear blower motor was stuck on high all the time. And it turns out that the low rear blower motor resistor is also in cause of that. So it completely shuts down and you cannot control it. Then it's this guy. But my problem was it was on all the time. When I disconnected it, then it stopped working. So problem fixed. Bought a $12 new aftermarket one from Amazon, and it's in there and it's working, and we're all set. You can find videos on how to remove it. It's quite easy, but this video is related to the unusual problem that it's stuck on high all the time. Okay, thanks.